So we got personal care services. So these are generally the activities of daily living. So we got the personal care services, which is walking and hygiene and dressing and bowel and bladder care, feeding, transfer, which is kind of in and out of seats, on and off the couch, away from the table, in the car seat, and respiration, which is oxygen and nebulizer treatments and things along those lines. And then we have related services, laundry, grocery shopping, errands, meal prep, and meal cleanup. Those services, you're generally going to have to document extraordinary need in order to get those, because the age requirements are a little bit higher for these. The county doesn't expect kids to do, for example, their laundry until they're like 14 or 15. Don't tell your kids that. Like, teach them how to do it earlier if they can. But the county really has low expectations of kids helping out around the house and doing stuff like that. And so you need to document extraordinary need for that. And we will talk about that later.